Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do something different with Christmas cookies, and I just got done with doing another big batch of the basic cookie dough, and so I split them. You know, if you follow my recipe, I find that I get like 5 batches, and they make maybe a little over 2 dozen cookies each one. And so today I'm going to do something different. I've never done this before, and I just thought, why not try it? So you're going to be trying along with me. Hopefully everything works out, but it's going to be the basic cookie dough and some marzipan. Now I'm not making my own marzipan. I'm going to make it a little easy, and I just bought a tube of it at the grocery store, and we're going to put them in the cookies. So let's get baking. First I'm going to take my Braun multi-mix chopper thingy, and I've got some slivered almonds in here, and I'm going to grind these up. So these are what I'm going to roll the cookies in. You want to get it to a fine consistency like this. And we'll set this aside. Got this little marzipan paste open, and I'm going to squeeze some out into a bowl. If you've never had marzipan before, it's really good. It's just basically almond paste and sugar, or almonds and sugar, and you make an almond paste out of it, kind of. I'm going to taste it. That's good. Okay. Now I'm going to take my basic cookie dough, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond extract. Make sure when you use extracts that you're using pure extract and not flavored. There is a huge difference, and if you don't use pure extract, it just tastes weird. It's not natural, I don't think. Anyways, so let's pour a teaspoon of almond extract in there. And I'm going to work it into the dough. Oh, it smells so good. Now another option with a cookie is I could take some of the, which I think I will. I'm going to take some of the crushed up almonds and put it in the cookie dough. Nuts and cookies, they're so good, so why not? Now you may find working with this dough, because I put the almond extract in there, it might be a little wet. So don't hesitate to put a little bit of flour in here. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour to the basic cookie dough. That just makes it more pliable to work with. Not be all wet. Make sure you work it in real good. Yeah, I'm glad I added the nuts into the dough. I think it'll make a difference in the cookie. It's like playing with Play-Doh. Now you want to preheat your oven at 375, and after you get your cookies all ready, you're going to bake it for 15 minutes. I have found that 15 minutes pretty much works with all of the cookies that I've been making using the basic cookie dough. Alright, so now I'm going to take this. You can use an ungreased baking sheet or add parchment paper or a silicone mat. I have this little one, and I think Santa's bringing me a bigger one, but we'll see. And now what I'm going to do is just take a little, about a tablespoon size of the cookie dough, and I'm going to put a little indentation, and then I'm going to put a pinch of the marzipan in the center, and then cover it up and roll the ball again, so that when you bite into the cookie, you're going to get a nice surprise of the marzipan inside. And then just take the ball and roll it in your ground up almonds. I think this is going to come out really good. What do you think? And if you've been following me, I've done like 5 different cookies, and it'd be nice to hear from you and let me know what you thought of them. Did you try any of the recipes? Which one was your favorite? Which one, if you haven't tried any, which one do you think you're going to try? I think it's really super easy when you have this basic cookie dough recipe, and just, you know, mix it up by doing some different things and be creative. That's what I'm doing with this recipe, and also that's what I did with my coconut key lime cookies, which was really, really good. I think that's almost my favorite right now at this point. Of course, this might be my next favorite. We shall see. So we just keep doing this until we get our sheet ready to go in the oven. So I'll be back. So the first batch is out of the oven, and look at this. I had to give one to hubby, so there's one missing. But I'm gonna have to taste it too. They came out so perfect on the outside. Let's see what it's like on the inside. I don't know if you can see. Right there is the marzipan. This is really good. If you don't like overly sweet cookies, this is an excellent choice. It's very almondy and buttery, and really, really good. Right, hubby? He says yes. So, I hope you like this video. I hope you give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell so you don't miss my next video tomorrow. So, did I forget to say happy Vlogmas Day 16? Alrighty, bye!